What's today? Sunday? It's Sunday. The weekend of spectacular
Sunday.
RSA continues. What time is it, dude? It's far too early on Sunday, I feel like. We've got this beautiful strip of asphalt. We're doing some no prep racing.
And the track is open.
The track's open, he says. Look at that thing. So today is list racing and our challenger elimination. So the way that it works, it's bracket drag racing. Everybody pulls a number chip out of a bag and that matches the pairings and the lane choices and all that. And then we do eliminations until we get down to the final few. And then that eliminator challenge winner gets to race the number 10 on the list for an opportunity to get onto the top 10 list. And the top 10 list is our fastest 10 drivers in Sonoma County that race on the third Sunday of every month with the, what is it called? Sonoma County No Prep RC Racers. No Prep Racing is about to go down. 8:30ish, getting ready to do some drag racing. We got a flyby. What's up, geeses? Start the spectacular activities. We got a goose flyby. Practice is happening.
Biggest rules, have fun. Slow, keep it slow when you're coming back in the return lanes. Try and come back on the sides if you can. Don't come down the center of the track.
So Dakota Steele happens to be the first person on our list right now. So I'd like to present him with the number one crown.
That's beautiful.
And the only rule to the crown is if you're sitting in first place and you have the crown on
that's
race day,
beautiful.
you make sure you bring it. So, and that's it.
This is our top 10 list after that round. Now we're working through our brackets. So everybody that's a challenger drew a chip, and then we get our name on the board, and this is the matchups for the first round, left and right lanes. We heads up race. That's me, I'm racing Dante. He's got a good car.
Driver's ready.
I don't think it was the same, was it?
Success. I made it through my first round, so that's like stage one of trying to get on the list. We got a whole nother bracket of racing to do though, so we'll see. Okay. Made it through one more round. So this is the second bracket here. I was up first. I was able to win my race. Now we're just waiting patiently for the end of the bracket. Lots of fast guys. Well, I was close. I made it to the last round through all of this, but I driver errored on the start and got on the gas way too hard, spun out like a chump because Dalton's rig was super fast all day and I got nervous. So what you get is if you win the elimination bracket, you get the golden ticket, it's called, and you get to race the 10th place person on the list, and that is Danny P. and his purple people eater, who came charging straight on the list on his, I think, second day out here at eliminations. Maybe it was even his first day. So he's out there to defend the honor of the title. And Dalton is going to the backup rig, the team captain's rig, because Dalton just kidded it while him and I raced. So at least he broke his car to beat me, so that's good. This is golden ticket!
Ready. Danny P. Nice run.
Defender, Danny P defends the list. So this is the start of our second round of top 10. Woo. Sorry. And apparently they're doing practice runs while I'm walking out here. I did not know.
Driver's ready.
So close, dude. So close. But Dalton got Dakota got him. Yes. Look at that.
Oh, yes. On the lid?
Driver's ready.
So drag race update, they did the second round of top 10 list, and we're up to our second round of eliminator challenges, and I am down here starting last race, and then we'll move on to the brackets. The good thing is now the list has been updated, and these guys, this guy's not here, so the person who wins this bracket does a ghost race against High, and they're gonna be on the list. So pressure's on. I'm gonna try to not stink it up this time in my last round, come through. It's stressful. Well, that was it. One run and I'm out. I got motored all the way down the track. He just drove around me like a boss. Bruce, the blue car down.
On the line.
Nope. Keep on pulling it back in right before I race.
On the line. Right leg.